I love my flower beds. I am in the garden about 6 to 8 hours a day because that's required to keep them up. My house was on the Munster Garden Walk last year, and I spent so much time, effort, and money on the gardens to make sure they were really beautiful. And so this year, I wanted to maintain them as much as possible. My name is Paula Johns. I'm a former realtor for 26 years. And when I decided I needed a new roof, I shopped around quite a bit. We had 20-year-old cedar shake roofing, and it was starting to blow off in pieces. So I knew the time was soon to get a new roof. I started interviewing roofers, and there were about 4, I think there was, total, with varying prices. I really felt I don't want the cheapest around, I want the best. Rogers happened to be very competitive with the cost. He was given good references, excellent references from all my friends and acquaintances. John, his estimator, explained to me that they had this new equipment, the Equipter, and I was really thrilled to hear that they had like a mini dumpster that would go up high and keep it from going into my flower beds. So that was the clinching factor right there.